Hi, my name is Marianne Garrison, and I'm an attorney here at Ramos Law. Welcome to the next edition of House of Law. Today we're going to be discussing the topic of elder abuse laws. Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about elder abuse law. Elder abuse is defined as the physical, psychological, or sexual abuse of an elderly person. It can even be the neglect of an elderly person or the financial abuse of an elderly person. Unfortunately, in the days since COVID, where more people are isolated, the number of cases of elder abuse has been on the rise. This is due to the increased stress that's put on a caregiver of the elderly, and it's also due to the isolation of the elderly and their caregivers. Most caregivers, unfortunately, turn out to be the family member, and that family member is usually the one that is appointed to do the most care of that elderly person. In some instances, elderly care can also involve professionals who are assigned to care for that elderly person, like in a nursing home or an assisted living facility. There are some signs that you can look for if you suspect elderly abuse may be taking place. You can look for a very withdrawn or passive personality that you don't normally see in that elderly person. You could look for bruises or cuts or scrapes in areas where it's not likely that they sustained an accidental injury. You can look for broken bones, things like that. You could look for instances where you see an immediate and noticeable change in financial circumstances for that person. If you notice an elderly person is always missing their glasses or dentures or hearing aids, sometimes that can be a sign of elderly abuse. Every state has laws to protect our elderly community. Those laws are both criminal laws, where a person can be criminally prosecuted for abuse of an elderly person, and there are also civil laws. If you suspect someone you know may be the victim of elderly abuse, then contact the number below or go to the website listed below for information on your particular state agency to contact to report that abuse. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us on House of Law, and we'll see you next time.